Dow Jones and Nasdaq precisely achieved the highs. I have told many a times 12,820 one should look forward to for Nasdaq 100, and for US 30 is at around 32,250 levels, which should provide a stronger resistance. It has achieved these levels and dropped again. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take? Where to enter? Where to exit? How to trade today? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest update. The next analysis will be up just before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Now look at the US 100 chart. First we look into US 100 followed with US 30 here. Now do listen to the levels carefully and trade accordingly. Look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts there is a definite resistance which we are looking forward to from 12,600 levels. At the same time, one must not forget 12,500 is a very strong support for US 100. So in between 12,500 12,600 I will request you not to trade. The directional movement is bullish here, but it is trading with little divergence. The stochastic is oversold, looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and enter into bullish zone for now. The RSI is trading flat. On the 2-hour charts to see higher lows and lower highs is what we are looking forward to. 12,500 very strong support. With that as support, it is trying to look forward to this channel. And yes, beyond 12,600 there is going to be resistance at 12,650 zone, which is going to be very strong resistance for now. So every 50 points there are resistances: 12,650, 12,700, 12,750 and then 12,820 levels. There are resistances there, and on the downside 12,500 definitely a very strong support. Directional movement not showing anything. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is trying to converge and end this losing streak for long now. The RSI is trading flat here near to bottom there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too similar is the story. 12,500 is the support. With 12,500 is the support, it is trying to rise. One can go long at 12,600 for sure. Beyond that 12,650, 12,700 levels are definitely going to be the resistance level. 12,700, 12,760 and 12,820. Till that time one can remain or sell for the highs, and beyond 12,820 only one can expect that it is going to hit towards 12,900 and 13,000 levels. The directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is near to bottom there. The MACD is trying to converge and end its losing streak. The RSI is trading flat. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at similarly on the 4-hour charts, it is getting the support here. Look at this. The previous candle has ended with a flat bottom there, and this time it has achieved the lows. With that as lows, it is trying to reverse back a bit. So yes, there is a definite resistance at 12,650. Only breaking this zone, one can expect that it may try to head high till towards 12,700, and that is the level beyond which one can consider that the reversal is happening. And yes, below 12,500 definitely one can remain short for the rest of the day. Now look at this here. On directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is near to bottom there. The MACD is wide divergent and is still indicating that there is bearishness here. The RSI is sloping upwards, so it's indicating that slightly may try to reverse. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, lower highs are done till now. Lower highs, lower lows. So with that here, if you look at this, look at also the body size. So there is a probability that it may try to again hit back at the top of this channel at around 12,800 before looking forward to any reversal. At the same time, one can go short at 12,500. Then the next target is 12,400, and this time the body size is going to be further big, which may try to take it till towards 12,200 level, which is going to be a good support. So it is trying to trade in this. Probably we may see a rise till the cash session, and then it may try to break. That is one probability. So yes, you can go long at 12,600, but there is a resistance at 12,650, 12,700. These two levels are going to be very strong resistance for US 100 today. If it breaks past, one can again expect 12,800, and then the reversal on the upside can be expected till towards 12,800, 12,820. Beyond that, it will fly. Else it may try to drop again till towards 12,500 and below levels. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is still trading flat and it is still in the bullish zone. It is not crossed over yet. Remember, it is not crossed over yet. The RSI is also trading flat. Considering this, go short at 12,500, go long at 12,600 till Above 12600 it has got resistances at every 50-60 points, 12650, 12700, 12760, 12820. These levels are, if broken, we may see a strong rise on, or a rally ahead till towards 13,000 levels. Else it can reverse at any point of time, it can reverse at any of these levels and again drop on the downside. The resistance there on the 12500 levels is going to play a stronger role. Below 12500 you can expect that it is going to hit 12450, 12400. Once it breaks past 12400, there is going to be definite drop till towards 12200 levels. If not today, then tomorrow possibly. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 taking the supports at 32,700. Higher lows are getting created. This was the drop, then higher highs, then the drop. Now looking forward to a rise. So go long at 32,850 now, providing a resistance there, and then beyond that it will try to hit 32,950, 33,000 levels. Beyond that it will fly. On the downside, the support here at 32,700, breaking which we can expect a drop there. So do not short anything till 32,750. The directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and the RSI is trading flat. So MACD once crosses over, it may trade in green for a little while. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, higher highs, lower lows are seen. The pivot there at around 32 750, 32 780 zone. So with that as pivot, it is trying to trade. The lows there at around 32 650, the highs there at around 32 850, 880 zone. In between this, it is trying to trade. Any breakout above and below will be a good indication to go short uh, or go long there. Yes, beyond 32,850 levels, so it will be a good level for it to rise. Beyond that, we may see it rising till towards 32,900, 33,000 levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is also near to bottom, trying to rise, but the slope is not much, indicating the bulls are not there. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is also trading flat. Now look at this, it is trying to trade with the pivot, higher lows, higher highs. I'll be watchful of 32,850 and 32,900 levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, if you observe, see it is trying to rise from here, but the 3-hour candle is now going to come to an end here. Higher lows, lower highs. So on the larger side, if you see on the larger picture, 32,900, 32,700, these 200 points, I will not recommend you to take a position in between these two levels. Any breakout above and below will be a very good indication to go long, and it may try to go back till towards 33,000 and 33,050, 33,100 levels. On the downside, breaking 32,700, one can expect 32,600, 32,500, which is going to provide a stronger support. Stochastic is near to bottom, directional movement bearish, MACD is wide divergent, it should start converging, hence greener candles can be expected. RSI is sloping upwards. On the 4-hour charts to see previous candles, higher highs are seen. The pivot here at 32,750, we have seen lower lows from there. So yes, going short below 32,700 can be seen. We can expect 32,500 levels. Above 32,900, we can expect 33,050 levels, and then 33,100 will come into picture. So take your positions accordingly. The directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is also near to bottom. It may try to cross over and move towards on the upside, hence bullish candles can be expected. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish. The RSI is sloping upwards, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart there is, see the previous few candles. So lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this zone. For the day, 33,050, 33,100 can be the resistance level which it may try to achieve. And on the downside, if it tries to sink 32,500 levels, so larger levels and larger trading zone here. So we have to enjoy both ways, but do not trade between 32,700 and 32,900 levels. On the upside, still you are getting 100, 150 points, 200 points, that is good enough. On the downside, if you are getting 100, 150, 200 points, that is good enough for us. Let it take a direction and then only trade. So do not trade between 32,700 and 900 levels. That is very clear, and take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is bearish, the stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is trying to converge, and RSI trading flat. So very clear. About 32,850, yes, you 32,900, yes, you can take a long position. Then you can expect 33,000, 33,050 and 33,100 levels. Beyond that, it will fly on the upside again till towards 33,200 to 50 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit till towards 33,500 plus levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 32,700, one can expect 32,600, 32,500, 32,400 levels. If it breaks those, it is going to give you a sharper drop till towards 32,200, 100 levels. Take your positions accordingly. It can try to give you a swing. Do not trade without a stop loss. Reach out to me for my mentorship batch and join my Telegram channel. My email IDs and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.